Bang, bang. So you know it's your boy Flava Media Entertainment TV. They are with a brand new show. Yeah, so big up all of my subscribers and viewers. And all who not subscribe yet, nothing no change. The door is still open. Just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Yeah, I know I've been MIA in the past couple of days, months, etc. viewers and subscribers. But it was all due to circumstances. So right now, Flava Media Entertainment TV is back in the building and ready and up for you again for going to the latest news viewers and subscribers. So just check in.
Hey, look boy, that's in the officer. I look boy,
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So viewers and subscribers, right now I'm there with an incident that must take place in a mobile between a group of residents and members of the security force. Where a member of the security force is trying to carry out a search on a young man. At the same time, the young man try to resist the search from the officer, in which same time the officer used his baton and hit the young man right across his shoulder. At the end of the day, I don't advise anyone to resist a search from a security member. Worse if you know say you're clean and you don't have anything to hide. But rightfully so, the security force can't just cheat people like this. Everybody have rights, and you know you can't just fling lick pan a man just because him don't want you search him. That is not right, viewers and subscribers. These officers nowadays are abusing their power, but at the same time you can see a man come there and it's like the man grab up the youth and I said to them, say no, you cannot do that. And you can also hear a resident a shout out to them and I say, a little boy that you know, no, you can't do that at the end of the day. But the officers them enforce to search the youth, and at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, it's like the youth still resist the search. You understand? Because even one of the time you can see it's like him offer one of the police them a box, in which way I don't advise him to do that, because at the end of the day, you know how them police are nowadays, dear viewers and subscribers. You know say them will do your things quick, and then at the end of the day nothing come out of it, because it come like full justice system is it never come like viewers and subscribers. Full justice system is a fraud, you understand? But you don't know at the end of the day, I wrong the youth for either try to resist the search, or at the end of the day I try to offer the police them box, cause you don't know say at the end of the day them view themselves as the law. You understand what I mean? And at the end of the day them not go like that. So at the end of the day that I go even worse for him. So anyway, the resident them start shout out murder and beating, and it's like you don't know how that I go already. It's like them build the security officers them temper even more, and me you know say them are wicked. Me you know say them will just do him something right there so and go a court or go a station and tell P0l viewers and subscribers. So anyways, right now, I'm going to show you the video clip, so I want you to just check it out and comment what you think down into the comment section.
Hey, look boy, that's in the officer. A little boy, a little boy, dad. You can't talk to them. A little boy, that's in a foolishness. Be a foolish in the ground with.
Ella, what's going on here is wrong. Ella, what's going on is wrong. You know that.
Daddy and easy. Who'll ever talk to you? You can't deal with them. Murder!